So, my camera, ow! My camera ran out of storage. And as I was doing that, I had this little guy chewing on my finger. And I was kind of telling you about the story of Revan. R-E-V-A-N. He's named after a Star Wars character in a video game called Knights of the Old Republic on the Xbox. Anyways, we rescued him from my friend's basement. Anyways, Revan's mother lived in that basement too. And while we rescued him, his mother continued to live on in that basement. And she was a beautiful, as I said, 7-pound calico cat. And I let my mom know about her. My mom went and took a look at her and fell in love with her immediately. And my friend and his parents, and being fantastic people, they wanted that animal to have a great life. And so Revan's mother has been a fixture of my parents ever since. She's now called Callie, short for Calico. She's a year older, 1 year older, so she'll be 10 here soon. She's a beautiful cat, but she's 7 pounds. Revan is close to 15. His dad was over 20. He was a tiger cat. Callie is a long-haired calico. But he is a very affectionate cat. Very. He's just recently become a cat that will sit in your lap over the last couple years. He never used to do that, ever. Now he does it routinely. But he just loves, he loves so much. As you can see, he loves. Oh, hey. Okay, so he's digging his claws into me right now, around my hand and arm, and he's licking quite a bit. I'm not entirely sure what he's definitely frisky for sure. But being a long-haired cat, he's got a lot to clean. Revan. So we're trying to get his attention here. Yeah, this is his bed. He likes his box. He likes his paper. Underneath it is bubble wrap. But he's my buddy. He's a long-haired cat, obviously. You can see he's got a lot of hair. So sometimes we gotta rescue him from his own hair. But he's, you know, he's happy I'm home. But we love him very much. Don't we, Revan? Don't we? Don't we? Okay, he's licking his butt now. Well, he's very happy. Anyways, this is my buddy. I love him very much. And I'm glad that I'm able to share him with you all. Bye-bye.